How to solve Viber app message not sent problem. If any day you are facing your Viber app message not sending problem but do not know how to solve it, then do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, you need to have Viber application on your mobile device. After that, you have to tap on the Viber application for a while. After you tap on the Viber application for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the I option out there. After you tap on the I option out there, you can see the interface of the app information. After you see the interface of the app information, you have to go to the option of the notification. You have to tap on the option of notification and enable allow notification. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions and tap on the option of permissions. After tapping on the option of permissions, you have to allow the call logs, the camera, the contacts, the location, the microphone, the music and audio, the notifications, the phone and the photos and videos. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of set as default and tap on set as default, and you need to enable open the supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of storage and tap on storage. When you tap on storage, you can see an interface like this. Now if there is any cache, you have to clear down the cache, and after that you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option, that is app details and store, and tap on the app details and store. After tapping in app details and store, you have to check whether there is any update application option or not, and if there is any option of the update there, you need to update your application therefore, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.